Top 5 Ideas to Make Money Online Using AI in 2023. Hello and welcome to this video about the top 5 ideas to make money online using AI in 2023. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives, and with that comes new opportunities to make money online. In this video, we'll explore some of the best ways to use AI to earn money in 2023. So, let's get started.
Number 1.
AI-powered content creation. First up, we have AI-powered content creation. With the help of AI, you can create high-quality and engaging content for your website or social media channels. AI can help you generate ideas, write articles, create videos, and even design graphics. By leveraging AI, you can save time and resources while producing great content that can drive traffic and revenue to your website. AI-powered content creation is a revolutionary approach to producing high-quality and engaging content with the help of artificial intelligence. AI can help content creators generate ideas, write articles, create videos, and even design graphics. With the increasing demand for content in today's digital age, AI-powered content creation can provide a competitive edge for businesses and individuals alike. Here are some ways AI can help with content creation. Generating ideas. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources and suggest topics and keywords based on audience interests and search trends. Writing articles. AI-powered tools can create articles from scratch or improve existing content by suggesting edits, optimizing for SEO, and enhancing readability. Creating videos. AI can assist in creating videos by automatically selecting footage, editing clips, and adding special effects, voiceovers, and music. Designing graphics. AI can help design graphics by analyzing data to suggest color schemes, layouts, and image styles that resonate with the target audience. Personalizing content. AI can analyze user data to tailor content to individual preferences and interests, making the content more engaging and relevant. Overall, AI-powered content creation can save time and resources while producing high-quality and engaging content that can drive traffic and revenue to websites and social media channels. With the increasing demand for content in today's digital age, leveraging AI in content creation can provide a significant competitive advantage. Number 2. AI-powered e-commerce. Next, we have AI-powered e-commerce. AI can help you optimize your e-commerce store in many ways, from product recommendations and personalized marketing to inventory management and customer service. By using AI, you can create a more efficient and effective online store that can attract more customers and generate more sales. AI-powered e-commerce is a game changer for online businesses as it offers a more personalized and efficient shopping experience for customers. AI can help optimize every aspect of the e-commerce process, from product recommendations and personalized marketing to inventory management and customer service. With AI-powered e-commerce, businesses can increase revenue, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive repeat business. Here are some ways AI can help with e-commerce. Personalized recommendations. AI algorithms can analyze customer data to suggest products that match their interests and preferences, increasing the likelihood of purchase and repeat business. Inventory management. AI can help optimize inventory levels, prevent stockouts, and reduce waste by analyzing data and predicting demand patterns. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots can assist customers with inquiries, providing instant responses and personalized support, increasing customer satisfaction. Price optimization. AI can help determine optimal pricing based on various factors such as supply and demand, competitor pricing, and customer behavior. Fraud detection. AI can analyze transactions and detect fraud patterns, reducing the risk of chargebacks and financial losses. Overall, AI-powered e-commerce offers businesses an opportunity to enhance the customer experience, optimize operations, and increase revenue. By leveraging AI in e-commerce, businesses can create a more efficient and effective online store that can attract more customers and generate more sales. Number 3. AI-powered trading. Third, on our list is AI-powered trading. With the help of AI algorithms, you can analyze financial data and make smarter investment decisions. AI can help you identify trends, predict market movements, and execute trades automatically. By using AI in trading, you can potentially earn more profits and minimize risks. AI-powered freelancing is a growing trend that uses artificial intelligence to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing freelancers to focus on more creative and high-value work. AI can help freelancers optimize their workflow, increase productivity, and enhance the quality of their work. With AI-powered freelancing, freelancers can potentially earn more while spending less time on administrative tasks. Here are some ways AI can help with freelancing. Project management. AI-powered tools can help freelancers manage their projects by automating task allocation, setting deadlines, and tracking progress. Language translation. AI can assist freelancers in translating documents and communicating with clients who speak different languages. Image and video editing. AI can help freelancers edit images and videos automatically, improving quality and reducing the time and effort required. Personalized recommendations. AI algorithms can analyze a freelancer's portfolio and suggest projects that match their skills and experience, increasing the likelihood of winning new clients. Time management. AI-powered tools can help freelancers optimize their time by automating scheduling, tracking billable hours, and providing reminders. Overall, AI-powered freelancing offers freelancers an opportunity to increase productivity, optimize their workflow, and enhance the quality of their work. By leveraging AI in freelancing, freelancers can potentially earn more while spending less time on administrative tasks. However, it is essential to note that AI cannot replace human creativity and skills and must be used to augment rather than replace human work. Number 4. AI-powered freelancing. Fourth on our list is AI-powered freelancing. With the help of AI, you can offer your services as a freelancer and complete projects more efficiently. AI can help you automate repetitive tasks, manage your schedule, and even find new clients. By leveraging AI, you can increase your productivity and earning potential as a freelancer. Number 5. AI-powered education. Last but not least, we have AI-powered education. AI can help you create and sell online courses that are more personalized and engaging for your students. AI can help you analyze student data, create interactive content, and even provide feedback and support. By using AI in education, you can potentially create a more profitable and effective online learning business. AI-powered education is a growing field that uses machine learning algorithms to enhance the learning experience for students and teachers. AI can help personalize education, adapt to individual learning styles, and provide immediate feedback to students. With AI-powered education, students can potentially learn more efficiently, and teachers can focus on individualized instruction and student engagement. Here are some ways AI can help with education. Personalized learning. AI algorithms can analyze student data and suggest personalized learning paths, adapting to individual learning styles and needs. Intelligent tutoring. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide immediate feedback and guidance to students, adapting to their pace and level of understanding. Grading and assessment. AI-powered grading systems can assess student work more accurately and efficiently, freeing up time for teachers to focus on instruction and feedback. Content creation. AI can generate educational content, such as quizzes, videos, and articles, based on student needs and preferences. Student engagement. AI-powered tools can improve student engagement by using gamification, interactive learning activities, and virtual reality experiences. Overall, AI-powered education offers an opportunity to enhance the learning experience for both students and teachers. By leveraging AI in education, students can potentially learn more efficiently and effectively, and teachers can focus on individualized instruction and student engagement. However, it is essential to note that AI is not a replacement for human teachers and must be used to augment rather than replace human instruction. So, there you have it, the top 5 ideas to make money online using AI in 2023. With the help of AI, you can streamline your business, optimize your processes, and potentially increase your earnings. Which idea do you think will work best for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content from our channel.